Good morning, everybody. Today is week 12, day 1, and we will start unit 6. But this is the last unit of the book, and in this unit, we will not follow the order of the book. I will start with unit 6C, then unit 6D. Okay? So, and after that, you will find maybe today's lesson will be in 3 parts. Okay, 3 different links. Okay, and please remember this week, this day 2 and day 3, we have tests. Please look at your Blackboard announcements. You will find more details. For today's agenda, I will introduce Unit 6 theme for you, and then we'll take some vocabulary, Kahoot, and then I have assigned a homework for you to do on Blackboard. And then we'll take Unit 6C, page 96. Then I'll explain about presentations that you should deliver after 2 weeks in week 14. And the last part is a writing activity. It's a practice for this week's exam. Okay, we have a writing exam this week, and this one is similar to the one you will take on day 3 of this week. Okay, let's get started with Unit 6, the theme of Unit 6. Unit 6 begins with this photo, which is depicting a factory and smoke coming out of factory. And if you look at on the other page, page 91, you'll see the rest of the smoke and the sky color. It looks like it's polluted. Okay, and the title of the unit is problem solving. Problem solving, which means in our day life, in your job, in your study, we face a lot of problems. And if you want to be successful in what you do, you should be able to solve problems. Okay, you should be able to solve problems. And in this unit, we will study the following. Under vocabulary, we will study vocabulary strategies like using and remembering vocabulary, and problem-solving collocations. Words are always used together when we talk about problem-solving issues. For grammar, we will study to and not enough, past simple, a past simple with question words. For skills, we will continue to learn about reading skills, using knowledge to predict ideas, main ideas and details, writing about your favorite job, and listening, inferring ideas, discussing predictions. Okay, so now let's begin with our first thing, which is Kahoot. So now what I need you to do, you just have a look at this Kahoot. Okay, I will I'll go through the Kahoot for you. So I will enter this. I'll enter the pin. Okay, we will start Kahoot in a second. Okay, and now I managed to log in. What someone is trying to achieve is aims, I guess. Oh, okay, so first the right answer is aims. Okay, next one. The possibility of something bad happening. Something bad might happen to you. Which one of these words? Risk, solution, promotion, or attention? The right answer is risk. Risk or risks. The possibility of something bad happening. Next question. An advantage, a useful effect of something. Advantage. Solution, benefit, attention, or risk. Definitely it's not risk. So it is benefit. Benefit, advantage means فائدة. Question 4. So it's a situation where there is not enough of something. Promotion, typhoon, job security, or shortages. The right answer is shortage or shortages, nuts, where there is not enough of something. A good example of this would be there is a shortage of sanitizers and gloves in Qatar. Question 5. Move to a more important job. When you move to a more important job is promotion. Promotion means ترقية في العمل. Okay. Next one. Enjoyable or nice. Something enjoyable or nice. Look at this photo. People are enjoying their time. Which one of these? Typhoon, pleasant, initiative, or storm? The right answer is pleasant. The ability to act or make decisions without being told what to do. When you do things by yourself without somebody telling you to do it, it is initiative, which means مبادرة. Okay? Question 8. To order tasks by level of importance. Things you should do now, things you should do tomorrow, things you should have done yesterday. What do we call this skill? Is it prioritize, predict, evaluate, or summarize? The right answer is prioritize. Prioritize. The noun is priority. Next one. Question 9. The act of listening carefully. When you listen carefully, is it solution? Is it drought? Is it attention? Or is it typhoon? It is attention, intibah. Okay, next one. A long period of time with no rain. Like this. When it doesn't rain for a long time, we call this drought. Drought. D is silent. Drought, which means jafaf. A sudden, violent shaking of the ground. Which one of these? It's an earthquake. هزة أرضية. An earthquake. Damages which involve a loss of money. When you lose a lot of money in business or something, we call this economic damage. خسائر اقتصادية. Economic damage. 13, the last question. A type of violent tropical storm with very strong winds. Look at this. It's wind with rain. We call this typhoon. Typhoon is the right answer. A type of violent tropical storm with very strong winds. Okay, so now what I need you to do after this lesson, I will email you with this homework to do, a list of vocabulary with sentences. You need to put the answers, or you can download this with the answers, put your answers here, and then upload it to the discussion board. Discussion board here under discussion board, week 12 day 1. It's like usually create thread, you put your name, then upload the document and click submit. Okay, so now we are done with part 2. Let's move on to part 3 of today's lesson, unit 6C, page 96. Unit 6C is about my dream job. My dream job means it's not real. It's something you would imagine. It's something you imagine. It's not real. It's in the future, okay? It hasn't happened yet, but you dream about it, okay? And here, exercise 1, rank the things below in order of importance to you in your ideal job. Number 1 as the most important, and then the rest, okay? I'll explain this further in part 2 of today's lesson.